Welcome to Hook and Loops. I'm EJ Hart, and today I'm going to be doing this Swirled Rag Rug, Part 4. So I'm going to go into the beige color and skip the other two red. So the pattern is going to be 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and then repeat. I'm going to skip the video to the next section. Okay, I'm just now finishing up with this, and I'm going to pull on the loop so it don't come out. I'm going to skip the next 2 red, and I'm going to go into the beige. Skip those 2 and go into the beige. And then I'm going to do the exact same pattern as I did on the other beige. So it's 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches, then 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and then repeat. I'm going to skip to the next section. I'm at the next section. I'm finishing up the beige. I'm going to skip that next red color. I'm going to go to the next red. Skip that one and go into this one. I'm going to do 1 single crochet in the next 7 stitches, then 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and then I'll repeat that. I'm going to skip to the next section. Okay, I'm at the next section, so I'm going to skip the beige, and I'm going to go into the next red. I'm going to do 1 single crochet in the next 7 stitches, and then 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and then I'll repeat that. Okay, I'm going to skip the video to the next section. Okay, you can keep going and make your rug as big as you want it to be, but I'm going to show you how I finish off my rug. I'm going to start with the beige, and I'm going to slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. So I'm just going to put my hook into the next stitch and pull the yarn through, and then pull it through the loop that's already on the hook for a slip stitch, and I'm going to do that in the next stitch as well. Then I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to pull that through, and then I'm going to weave it back into the beige color using my hook. I'm going to weave it onto the back side, and I'm going to pick up a little piece of the post in a stitch on the back side, and then I'm just going to tie that in there. And then I'll just snip off the excess. And I'm going to tie all of these loose ends into the back of the rug. And then I'll snip them off. Now the center part, if the hole is a little too big, you can close that up by weaving a piece of the yarn all the way around. Now I'm just going to pull on the yarn and tighten up that hole. Then I'll tie that into the back of the rug and snip off the excess. And I'll do this with all of the pieces of yarn. I'm just going to undo this a little bit so I can do some slip stitches onto the beige. So I'm going to slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. There's 1 and 2. Now I'm just going to chain 1. And I'll weave that into the red and tie it off in the back. Now I will do one more single crochet all the way around the rug to finish it off. And I'll just single crochet into those slip stitches on the side as well. Okay, this is my finished rug. This is the back side of the rug. Consider subscribing to Hook and Loops. Just click the button and click subscribe. And thank you for watching.